Hello and welcome once again to Knowledge TV GH. Today we are going to learn about classification in biology. Classification in biology simply means putting living things into groups or categories. So first of all, let us take a look at the importance of classifying living things. Because all over the world, we need to classify living organisms into their various groups. First reason why we need to classify living organisms is that to make us or to help us to study about the organism and make reference to that organism. Number two, for easy identification. So when we classify the living things into groups or their category, it will help the scientists to identify them whenever the need arises. Number three, it will help scientists to establish evolutionary relationship between organisms in groups or their various categories. So as you said, there are two scientists that classify living organisms into groups. So one is Aristotle, number two is Carolus Linnaeus. So we are going to focus on Aristotle's system of classification today. Then in the next episode, we will go to Carolus Linnaeus' system of classification. So today, let's take a look at the Aristotle system of classification. Aristotle classified living things into two main groups, namely plants and animals. So we have plants, number two, animals. So let us take a look at how he classified plants. He classified plants also into three main groups. That is, the first one is herbs. The second one is shrubs. And the last group is trees. As for the herbs, they are those with soft stem. So every plant that falls in that category, the actual name or the group name is a herb. So let us go to the second group, that is the shrubs. Those with several and woody stems. Those with several and woody stems, he classified them as shrubs. So when you take the hedges, they are all under shrubs. When you go to the trees, they are tall and single woody stems. So any plant that is tall, single stem, and woody, he classified them as trees. Okay, so now let us take a look at how he classified animals into groups. Aristotle classified animals into three main groups according to habitats and locomotory method. The locomotory method is talking about how they move. So he classified them, one, those that can fly in air. So there are some animals that fly in air. For example, birds, they fly in air. The second point is that those that can move on land. Example, lions move on land. Human beings move on land. Tiger move on land. So he put them also into one group. The last point is that those that can swim in water. For example, fishes swim in water. Sea turtles swim in water. So we put them all into one group called those that can swim in water and those that can move on land, those that can fly in air. Thank you very much for watching Knowledge TV. Like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you.